FaceBase provides various tools to visualize imaging data. Craniofacial data includes not only genetic and genomic data, but also visualizations of the soft and hard tissues of the face, skull, and teeth. Some data may also be useful for non-craniofacial research. For example, our high-resolution CT data could support the study of the brain. In this video, we'll look at three main types of image viewers, as well as other imaging resources available. Two-dimensional images in the FaceBase repository are commonly histological, stains to show regions where a gene is expressed. Our pipeline accepts the raw image file from a microscope and converts it to a high-resolution image that can be viewed in a browser page. Thus, the viewer acts like an online digital microscope, allowing the user to zoom in for a deep view. The viewer also supports annotations. Contributors can use editing tools to mark and label colored boundaries around specific anatomical regions. To download a screenshot of the current view, click Take a Screenshot. An accurate scale is included with the image, which is crucial for researchers and ideal for use in publications and presentations. Some imaging data is created in 3 dimensions, which is useful in understanding the shape and size of specific anatomical regions of the face and skull, for example, when comparing control specimen with mutant specimen. When a 3D image is contributed, FaceBase provides a downsampled 3D preview inside your browser window. Use your mouse to turn the 3D image in all directions and to zoom in and out. Use the right panels to step through slices of the interior through different views. Use the volume panel to adjust the levels or brightness of the planes to virtually examine craniofacial structures from a variety of sources, all within your browser. If a contributor provides surface mesh data, which depicts surfaces of interest, our surface mesh viewer can create a jigsaw puzzle effect, where each surface mesh object is given its own color and channel, which can be toggled on and off. Surface meshes may be annotated with anatomical landmarks, demarcating specific locations on a specimen. Distance between landmarks can also be calculated. This educational tool is especially powerful for new researchers to learn anatomical regions. Outside of the data browser, FaceBase offers many other atlases and resources, including landmark datasets with 3D human facial scans of a variety of populations. These scans provide comprehensive coverage of the variety of characteristics in the human face, as well as crucial measurements that can be used for applications such as designing respirators. Demographics include thousands of subjects over a range of ages, ethnicities, and some phenotypes. The 3D Facial Norms database is a web-based resource that provides the research and clinical community with high-quality craniofacial anthropometric normative data based on digital stereophotogrammetry, a method of 3D surface imaging ideally suited for capturing human facial surface morphology. The 3D Facial Norms database allows users to interact with data via an intuitive graphical interface and, given proper credentials, to gain access to individual-level data, allowing users to perform their own analyses. FishFace is a visual atlas of zebrafish craniofacial development that provides an interactive resource to understand not only the cellular details, but also complex 3D anatomical relationships of developing elements in the craniofacial skeleton of the zebrafish. Three interactive, 3-dimensional zebrafish craniofacial atlases of anatomy and wild-type adult zebrafish classify structures of the zebrafish skull, explore the embryological origins of the bones of the skull, and emphasize the similarities between fish and mammalian skulls. The Mouse Anatomy Atlas shows color-coded images and illustrations of craniofacial regions for a wild-type mouse across early stages of development, embryonic day 9 through neonatal P0. The anatomical navigation feature, powered by our Surface Mesh Viewer, allows users to toggle different regions on and off, and click on an anatomical term to see any available related data in FaceBase. Available models at this time include mouse and zebrafish. FaceBase continues to improve and expand options for visualizing craniofacial data and accepting cutting-edge imaging formats to improve the user's experience.